Dress the part, speak with confidence, and engage with others as someone who has already achieved their dreams. Your actions should reflect the reality you are creating. Surround yourself with reminders of your achieved goals. Create vision boards, keep a journal of your accomplishments, and immerse yourself in environments that support your new reality. These tangible elements help reinforce your mental state and keep you focused on living in the end. Embrace a mindset of abundance and possibility. When challenges arise, view them through the lens of someone who has already succeeded. Instead of obstacles, see opportunities for growth and learning. And trust that you have the resources and resilience to overcome any difficulties, as you are already living in the end. Consistency is key in maintaining this perspective. Regularly revisit your vision and feelings of achievement, especially during moments of doubt or discouragement. Use affirmations and positive self-talk to reinforce your belief in your accomplished state. Over time, this practice will solidify your new reality, making it easier for your external world to align with your internal state. Living in the end is a powerful way to bring your dreams into the present. By acting and thinking from the perspective of already having achieved your goals, you create a magnetic pull that draws your desires into your life. This shift in mindset not only transforms your experience but also accelerates the manifestation of your dreams. Transform your inner dialogue into a constant affirmation of prosperity and abundance. The conversations you have with yourself shape your reality, so it is crucial to cultivate self-talk that reflects the wealth and success you wish to experience. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts and the language you use when you think about your life and goals. Begin each day with affirmations of prosperity. As you wake up, tell yourself that today is filled with opportunities and abundance. Use statements like, "I am surrounded by wealth and success," or "everything I touch turns to gold." These positive affirmations set the tone for your day and align your mindset with abundance. Throughout the day, maintain this dialogue of prosperity. When you encounter challenges or setbacks, remind yourself of your inherent ability to overcome them and thrive. Replace thoughts of scarcity and limitation with affirmations of plenty and capability. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't afford this," reframe it to, "I am finding ways to afford everything I need and desire." Use your inner speech to express gratitude for the abundance already present in your life. Regularly acknowledge and appreciate the wealth and blessings you have, no matter how small they may seem. This gratitude reinforces your belief in the constant flow of abundance and opens you up to receive even more. Visualize your goals and desires as if they are already achieved. In your mind, engage in conversations that reflect this reality. For instance, imagine discussing your success with a friend or mentor, expressing joy and satisfaction over your accomplishments. This practice helps to solidify your belief in your prosperous state and makes it feel more real. Pay attention to the language you use in everyday situations. Choose words that reflect abundance and success. Instead of saying, "I hope I can achieve this," say, "I know I will achieve this." Such subtle shifts in language can significantly impact your mindset and the energy you project. Surround yourself with positive influences that reinforce your prosperous inner speech. Read books, listen to podcasts, and engage with content that inspires and uplifts you. Engage in conversations with people who support your vision and encourage your growth. These external inputs help to strengthen your internal dialogue of abundance. Create a habit of reflecting on your day and acknowledging moments of prosperity. Before you go to bed, review the successes and positive experiences of the day. Tell yourself that you are proud of your achievements and that more prosperity is on its way. This practice not only ends your day on a positive note, but also primes your mind for a successful tomorrow. By consistently engaging in self-talk that reflects and reinforces your belief in abundance, you are programming your mind to recognize and attract prosperity. This inner speech becomes a powerful tool in shaping your reality, guiding your actions and manifesting the wealth and success you desire. Cultivating an inner dialogue of prosperity involves transforming the way you communicate with yourself, ensuring that your thoughts and words consistently affirm the abundance in your life. This practice starts with becoming mindful of your internal conversations and deliberately shifting them to reflect a mindset of wealth and success. Begin your day by affirming your prosperity. As soon as you wake up, take a moment to speak positive affirmations to yourself. Say things like, "I am a magnet for abundance," or "Prosperity flows to me effortlessly." These morning affirmations set a powerful tone for your day, aligning your thoughts with the reality of abundance. As you go through your daily routines, maintain this prosperous self-talk. When you encounter challenges, reframe your thoughts to focus on solutions and opportunities rather than obstacles. For instance, if faced with a financial difficulty, tell yourself, "I have the creativity and resources to overcome this," instead of dwelling on lack. Infuse your thoughts with gratitude throughout the day. Regularly remind yourself of the abundance you already possess. Acknowledge the small and large blessings in your life, such as a supportive friend, a job you enjoy, or a beautiful day. Gratitude amplifies your awareness of existing prosperity and invites more into your experience. Visualize your goals as if they have already been achieved and engage in mental dialogues that reflect this reality. Imagine talking to a trusted friend about your successes, describing in detail how you feel, what you have accomplished, and the satisfaction it brings. This mental rehearsal not only strengthens your belief in your goals, but also makes them feel more attainable. Pay attention to your language in everyday conversations, both with others and within your mind. Choose words that convey confidence and abundance. Replace phrases like, "I can't afford this" with, "I am finding ways to bring this into my life." This shift in language helps to reinforce a mindset of possibility and growth. Surround yourself with influences that support your prosperous mindset. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts that inspire and encourage abundance. Engage in conversations with people who uplift you and share your vision of success. These external sources can help reinforce your internal dialogue of prosperity. Before you go to sleep, reflect on the day with a focus on abundance. Recall moments of success and prosperity, no matter how small. Affirm to yourself that you are proud of your achievements and that you are on a continuous path of growth and prosperity. This practice helps to end your day on a positive note and primes your mind for a successful tomorrow. Consistently practicing an inner speech of prosperity helps to solidify a mindset of abundance. It transforms the way you perceive and interact with the world, making you more attuned to opportunities and more resilient in the face of challenges. This mental discipline becomes a powerful tool in creating a life of wealth and success. To bring your dreams to fruition, it is crucial to align your thoughts and actions with the reality you wish to create. This alignment bridges the gap between your current state and your desired state, enabling you to reflect and attract the abundance you envision. Start by clearly defining your desires. Take time to articulate what abundance means to you, whether it's financial prosperity, vibrant health, fulfilling relationships, or personal growth. Write down your goals in detail, capturing the essence of what you want to achieve. This clarity forms the foundation for aligning your actions and thoughts. Next, examine your current thoughts and behaviors. Are they in harmony with your desires, or do they contradict what you want to achieve? Identify any negative patterns or limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. For example, if you desire financial abundance but frequently think about scarcity or engage in impulsive spending, you need to shift these thoughts and behaviors to ones that support your financial goals.